Foshan TSO Construction Machinery Company Limited is a solution provider for concrete pump. Our TSO, we are moving forward. Every step is solid and powerful. Every step is a pioneer. We have opened localization services in Southeast Asia, Middle East, Central Asia, Africa, South America, and other 10 countries. We have branch service centers in USA, Canada, Dubai, Russia, Singapore,
working in the TSO machine. Today I am going to tell you about the TSO company. First of all, you can see that concrete mixture. This is the latest technology we are using, and you can see how to mix the concrete during construction.
Always trust the TSO machine.
Always trust TSO machine.